Hi and welcome. I made a mistake that destroyed the micro USB connection on my printer motherboard. I was trying to flash it for my pick and place machine. I connected two power supplies in series to generate 24 volts for the PNP machine, but I forgot that when you do that, the ground will be elevated by 12 volts. As I'm demonstrating, when you measure the ground of my power supply and the ground of this ESP32 or the USB connection coming from my PC, you get a reading of 12 volts. This is really dangerous for electronics and will fry components and PCB rails immediately. I destroyed my micro USB port and I replaced it with a refurbished one temporarily to check if anything else was damaged. There were no damaged traces or components, so the damage is surely inside the main IC itself. Unfortunately, the micro USB still doesn't connect to the PC anymore, and since it doesn't make sense to replace the entire main IC just for this, I'll leave it for now. I have a solution for this and I will share it with you in an upcoming video. The solution to this problem is to isolate the second power supply from earth ground. Since I'm using the same outlet split to power both PSUs, I disconnected the earth wire at the junction point for the second top PSU only. By doing this, we now have no voltage difference and we can connect the ground of our power supply directly to the ground of the ESP32, and it works without any fumes or fire. So now we have the bottom power supply's negative output still referenced to ground, as I showed you in the PSU video, while the second supply is disconnected from earth ground at the input junction only. This makes the second power supply float, so be careful with this setup. I want to remind you, disconnecting the earth connection from a power supply can be dangerous if your system has exposed metal parts or if the power supply fails internally, as the chassis could become live and cause electric shock. Only do this if you fully understand the risks and your system is fully enclosed and insulated. In my case, the entire setup is inside a fully 3D printed enclosure, so there is no exposed metal anywhere on the machine, which makes it safer for me to use this method. Still, always double check your voltages with multimeter before connecting your USB or any ground to avoid damage to your components. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or feedback. I'm always happy to help or clarify if you need more details. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.